The universe is filled with wonders. Galaxies spiral in symphony, stars ignite, burn bright, and fade. Black holes warp the fabric of space-time itself. But on a small blue planet, a new marvel emerges. Artificial intelligence. Not just intelligence that analyzes and calculates, but intelligence that creates. This is the dawn of generative AI. Imagine a world where machines can write poetry. Imagine them composing symphonies. Picture them painting breathtaking landscapes and sculpting with light itself. This is no longer science fiction. It is the reality unfolding before our very eyes. Generative AI is revolutionizing how we express ourselves. It is amplifying our innate human creativity in ways we are only beginning to grasp. This is not about replacing human imagination, it is about augmenting it. Language is the bedrock of civilization. It is how we communicate, share stories, and build entire worlds in our minds. Now, artificial intelligence is learning to wield the power of language. Tools like chatgpt are trained on massive datasets of text and code. They can generate human-quality text in response to prompts. Need to write a poem about the cosmos? ChatGPT can do that. A screenplay about time travel? ChatGPT is up to the task. This technology is not about replacing human authors, far from it. It is about providing a powerful new instrument for storytelling. Imagine a world where writers can collaborate with AI to brainstorm ideas, overcome writer's block, and explore uncharted narrative territories. The written word is a powerful force in the universe. For millennia, artists have captured the beauty of the world through paint, sculpture, and photography. Now, a new generation of artists is using algorithms and data as their creative tools. AI image generators like DALL-E and Midjourney are transforming the art world. Type in a description, say, a cat wearing a spacesuit floating in a nebula, and these AI tools will generate stunningly realistic images based on your words. But these tools are capable of so much more. They can mimic the styles of famous artists, create photorealistic images from rough sketches, and even generate abstract art that challenges our very notions of what art can be. This technology is not just for professional artists. It is for anyone who has ever wanted to express themselves visually. The canvas of the future is digital. Music has the power to move us, to transport us to other worlds, and to connect us to something larger than ourselves. Now, artificial intelligence is adding its voice to the symphony of human emotion. AI music generators like AIVA or artificial intelligence virtual artist are changing the way music is composed and experienced. These tools can analyze vast libraries of existing music to learn musical styles and patterns. They can then use this knowledge to generate original compositions in a variety of genres from classical to jazz to electronic dance music. Imagine a film score composed by AI, perfectly tailored to the emotions of each scene. Picture a video game with a dynamic soundtrack that evolves in real time based on the player's actions. This is the future of music with AI. But AI's role in music goes beyond just composition. It can also be used for music production, mastering, and even live performance. The future of music is collaborative. In the digital age, code is the language that powers our world. From the apps on our phones to the software that runs our cars, code is everywhere. And now, AI is becoming an indispensable tool for the coders who build these digital experiences. AI-powered coding assistants like GitHub Copilot are revolutionizing software development. These tools act like virtual pair programmers, able to understand the context of your code and suggest lines of code, functions, and even entire algorithms. Imagine writing code at the speed of thought, with an AI partner by your side to catch errors, optimize for performance, and suggest creative solutions. This is the power of AI in coding. This doesn't mean that human programmers will be replaced. On the contrary, AI coding assistants will free up developers from tedious tasks. The future of coding is collaborative. With any powerful new technology comes responsibility. As AI becomes more sophisticated in its ability to generate creative works, we must grapple with important ethical considerations. Who owns the copyright to AI-generated art, music, or literature? How do we prevent the use of AI for malicious purposes, such as generating deepfakes or spreading misinformation? And how do we ensure that AI is used to augment, not replace, human creativity? These are complex questions with no easy answers. They require thoughtful dialogue and collaboration between technologists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. We must approach the development and deployment of AI for creative purposes with caution and foresight. We stand at the cusp of a new era of creativity, one where the lines between human and machine imagination become increasingly blurred. The tools of creativity are no longer limited to brushes, instruments, or pens. They now include algorithms, data, and the boundless potential of artificial intelligence. This is not a time to fear the rise of the machines. It is a time to embrace the extraordinary possibilities that lie ahead. Imagine a future where AI helps us to compose symphonies that move the soul, to write novels that transport us to other worlds, and to create art that challenges our perceptions and inspires us to dream bigger. Imagine a world where AI helps us to solve humanity's greatest challenges, from climate change to disease, by empowering us to think in new and creative ways. The future of creativity is not about replacing human imagination. It is about amplifying it, expanding its reach, and unlocking its full potential. The universe of creativity is vast and ever expanding.